What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and I want to let you know about a special promo that HighLevel is doing for the summer. They are doing free AI for the entire summer. So you may have seen this page. If you guys want to go through and get access to this, just click down below in the description. You'll be able to go through and get access to this. Start your free 14-day trial if you're not already a user. If you are already a user, then I'll show you how to go through and activate it. So what you can do is come over here into your agency admin portal, and you'll have all the different tabs over here. Click on the very top one. This is a new one that just popped up today because it started today, June 1st. So we're going to click on Get Free AI, and then you're just going to click on I Want Free AI, all right? Then from here, it's going to list out all of your different sub-accounts. So you want to go through and check all the sub-accounts. And if you're wondering, are they just going to auto-enroll me into some subscription? No, they're not. Let me just show you guys how this works. So if you guys want 30 days free AI for all of these sub-accounts right here, what you're going to do is just select all sub-accounts. So that's all of your clients, all your demo accounts. I have a lot of demo accounts here. And then I just click on Activate Free AI for 30 sub-accounts. Now, here is where it gets into more of the auto-subscription type setup. And that is, if you want to unlock another 30 days more for free, then this is where you'd go through and say, yes, I want 60 days free of AI. And this is, it looks like a discount because typically AI employee is $97 per month, but this AI employee growth is just $50 per month. Okay, so it looks, I guess it's not unlimited. It's 1,000 AI agent responses, 100 AI agent minutes. So that's probably the difference where they have that $97 unlimited AI plan. But this one's 50% off, looks like. But you still get the unlimited reviews AI, unlimited content AI, prompt optimizer, 100 minutes, and then the knowledge base is all included. So if you guys want to go through and do that, that would enroll all the sub accounts that you selected into this $50 per month one, or you could just do a pay as you go as well. That totally works, which honestly, I like that one. I like that whole setup. Or you could just say, no, thanks, I don't want it. I just want to do the 30 days free so that you're not feeling like you're locked into anything. But I just wanted to film this video really quick. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of this. But if you're a brand new user, cool thing is you can either get here this free 14-day trial, or if you click up here in this top scrolling banner, and I believe this is this week only, so only the next like 6 days, if you click on here, you can actually get 50% off the first 3 months to your HighLevel account plus free AI, all right? So this is huge. This is one of the best promos that HighLevel does all year. So that means if you're thinking about the $97 per month account, it's only $48.50 per month. $297, $148.50, and then the $497 per month plan, which is my favorite plan. It gives you a lot more options of what you can do and run your business. It's just $248.50 for the first 3 months, which honestly, this is an amazing deal, plus all of the free AI that you get included with that. And then on top of that, you'll also get all of my bonuses, my courses, templates, scripts, all of the goodies that I offer. And one thing that is pretty cool that I'm working on actually right now is I'm building out an AI employee that's going to be able to set up your entire agency admin account 100% for free. And then as you bring on new clients, it's going to be able to set those clients up for you for free as well. And it's already completely trained on how to set up your agency admin portal, and it's completely trained on how to set up your new clients. So really a lot of the support, onboarding, fulfillment, parts that people are kind of a little bit timid about because they're like, I don't have the experience, I haven't done this before. This is going to be completely all automated with an AI employee that I am personally building right now. And so be on the lookout for that. But once again, I just want to make sure that you guys knew about this free AI, the cool Summer of AI promos that are going on. If you're a new user, existing user, make sure you jump in, take advantage. There's some crazy things happening with AI right now, so don't want you to miss out on this. So anyway, go check that out. Link down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.